Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. First time apps open, login with Google option. I am just click now, select your Gmail account, automatically log in your account. Okay, new PayPal earn apps I am share. Okay, $1 minimum withdraw. I am just click now, get coins option. Okay, survey available, favor. I am just click now, favor options. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I am shared a new earn PayPal money and Gcash bitcoins earning app. Okay, survey available. Okay, I'm just click now, second number iron source best survey iron source. I'm just click now, iron source. Okay, offer complete and unlimited earn money, PayPal, Amazon, Google Play gift card. Okay, I'm back again, and third number survey. Okay, just loading now, and like this video or comment must be. Okay, and share this video, complete this offer and earn money. I'm just click now, tap joy and offer to best survey offer all. Okay, tap joy, open unlimited earning 1000 10,000 coins easily earning offer through. I'm just click now, offer through best survey offer. Just app download and follow this step and complete this offer unlimited. Okay, and I am just click now, daily check-in. Okay, 10 coins earning daily check-in, and total my earning 610. Okay, and I'm just get the invite friend, invite and earning. Enter the invitation code. Okay, open my Telegram channel, video description, Telegram channel link, all update, share Telegram channel, join must be. Okay, do not miss Telegram channel. Okay, and giveaway I am share Telegram channel, your coins. I am use my friend referral code 200 coins free. My referral code use 200 coins free and 25% lifetime referral commissions. Okay, no problem. And PayPal withdraw $1 minimum withdraw PayPal. Okay, and $5 only, 9,000 coins, $1 only, 20,000 coins. Okay, 100% trusted app. Search now Google Play Store, video reward 100% trusted, 100% real earn apps. Thanks for watching my video.